Presenting the Puma by Palomino. This is the 27 RLSS. This is a unique floor plan, which you will see in a moment. This has two 60-pound propane tanks, a power jack, lots of storage across the front here. We have a power awning, LED lights under the awning, outdoor speakers, outdoor shower with the black tank flush outlet right there. Access to fill your freshwater tank right there. We have the solid step aluminum steps that travel up inside the trailer. Large grab handle. Power stabilizers. And the bracket for the barbecue, which of course is included, swings around so that it's sitting right here in this area for you. Nice large window at the back, which I'll show you again from the inside. And the preparation for a backup camera. So as a rear living floor plan, you have two recliners back here in front of the great big huge window that'll allow you a nice view of the lake, the forest, the ravine, or wherever you park. It has the dinette area, which is spacious, and here it has a trifold sofa that rotates out to make a queen-size bed. We have provision for a television, a stereo system, more storage, fridge-freezer combination, microwave, 3-burner stove, oven, stainless steel undermounted sink, and the upgraded faucet as well. Bathroom provides a fully enclosed shower, medicine cabinet, sink, vanity, and lots of room in here. The bedroom provides a queen-size bed, obviously storage under the bed, which is standard. Storage on both sides, closets or cupboards on both sides of the bed, as well as over the bed, as you can see. Power outlets on both sides, as well as a USB port to charge your devices, cell phones or whatever. And the second door, which gives you access or exit from the bedroom. The ability to bring another television into the bedroom as well and mount it right here. And here we are with the nice spacious floor plan. We encourage you to come and see this in person, get a sense of the quality and the layout and just the many features that this trailer has to offer. My name is Roger, and I invite you to come and see this. I'll be glad to take you on a tour when you get here. And now, thank you for watching this video.